20 Minute Setswana, part 2, lesson 1. Okay, so let's say I'm having a bad day and I'm not fine. How would I then say that?
Ga ke a tsoga.
Ga
Ke a tsoga.
ke a tsoga.
Yes.
Now I know the ke from previous things that we've just learned. The ke is I, okay.
Yes.
But the ga is new to me. Does the ga make it negative?
Yes.
Okay.
I didn't.
All right. Okay, that's
Ga ke a-
interesting.
I didn't.
All right, and just for interest's sake, does the ga always come in front of the sentence?
Yes, when you disagree.
Okay. All right. That's the same in Spanish, and with Spanish the no comes in front, and that makes the rest of the sentence negative. Okay, so ga ke a
Tsoga.
tsoga. All right.
Ga ke a tsoga, literally, I did not get up.
Okay. So tsogile was the I get up. Tsoga is
Tsoga.
the negative, I presume, of getting up.
Yes,
So it's I did not get up.
I did not get up.
All right. And let's say things are really bad. Things are going really bad. Is there expression for that?
Ke mo mathateng.
Okay.
Yeah, ke mo mathateng.
Ke mo matateng.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get my T's and my K's really out there.
Yes.
Ke mo matateng.
Ke mo,
Okay.
I would like you to say it. Ke mo
Ke mo
ma
ma
ta
ta
te.
te.
Yes.
Wow. Ke
mo
mo
ma
matateng.
Yes.
Matateng. I've actually heard that in Tswana speakers and Sotho speakers. It's and it's almost musical. I'm a musician as well, so to me it's almost as if it grooves a little bit more
Yes.
than the average English and Afrikaans that I'm used to. Ke mo matateng.
Yes, ke
All
mo
right.
mathateng.
Okay, that's very cool. And what does that mean?
Okay, literally, I mean hardship, matata,
All right.
troubles,
Okay.
problems.
Okay, matata.
Yes,
Matata.
matata. Yes,
That's interesting because we all think about the Hakuna Matata
yes,
from the Lion King.
Yes.
I don't know if they were speaking Tswana there. I think they were speaking more Swahili, but matata, is that right?
matata.
Matata.
Yes.
Matata means problems.
Yes.
All right. I am in problems. Is that what it means?
Ke mo mathateng. Yes.
Okay, so that's literally I'm in hardship. I'm in problems, but it actually means things are going really bad.
Really bad.
All
yes.
right, I love that. Okay, and if I were then to turn around, you were asking me questions regarding how I am, and I would then say, and you?
I will be saying wena o tsogile jang.
Okay, so I just turn it around. I presume the wena is
You.
refers to you. Okay,
O tsogile
utsogile,
jang.
jang,
Yes.
jang. How are you?
Wena, it's you. O tsogile, going back on to wake up,
Yes,
to be awake.
I remember.
Jang, it's with a question at the end. How?
Okay, so that makes it a question, the jang,
Yes.
but now the jang is at the end of the sentence.
It's at the end of the sentence.
Not like the ausiame where the a was in front of the sentence.
Yes.
That's interesting to note. We'll get back to that in later lessons.
Literally, it's you wake how?
Okay.
Or woke how?
All right. That's awesome. Okay, so let's say I would want to say I am tired. How would I say that?
Ke lapile.
Ke lapile. That's a bit easier. All right.
And you say it also with, there's a sound there. You say, ke lapile.
Oh, really? Oh, obviously. Ke lapile.
Tired.
Yeah, you're not going to say it with a smile.
Yes.
Hey, ke lapile.
Yes, ke lapile. Yes.
Okay, so ke lapile.
Ke lapile.
All right. So the verb to be tired, what would that be?
Go lapa.
Golapa.
Yes.
Okay. So that would be the verb. And the conjugation of the verb golapa would be lapile.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So if I were to say, I am busy,
Ke tshwaregile.
ke tshwaregile. All right.
Ke tshwaregile.
Tshwaregile. So what does that mean?
I am caught up.
I'm caught up. All right. So the verb would be, what would be the verb then?
The verb will be go tshwarega.
Go tshwarega.
Yes.
Okay. And then the conjugation is tshwaregile. I am busy. Or I am caught up.
Yes.
All right. And if I were in a hurry, I am in a hurry, how would you say that?
Ke itlhaganetse.
That's a bit more difficult. Let me try.
Yes.
Ke Oh, is it ki or ke?
Ke.
It's more like, it's in
Ke,
between.
I tlhaganetse.
Ke,
I tlhaganetse.
ke, I, tlaganetse.
Yes, the U sounds like the U Afrikaans U.
Okay.
Think of that.
Okay.
Ke I tlhaganetse.
I, tlaganetse.
Yes,
All
great.
right. Okay. And what does that mean?
I'm in a hurry.
Okay, so that literally also means to be in a hurry.
Yes.
From the verb, what would the verb be?
Go itlhaganela.
Go itlaganela.
Yeah.
I just picked up something. Does the T and the H sort of a sound or not really?
With an L in between,
Okay, with an L in between. So the TLH.
meaning
Ke, oh, no, there are. That was wrong. Ki, Ki,
ke
itlaganetse.
itlhaganetse.
Ke itlaganetse.
Yes.
All right. And that literally means that I am in a hurry.
I'm in a hurry.
All right. Now, if I am late, how would I say that?
Ke thari.
Oh, that's easier. Ketari.
Yes. Ke thari.
Ketari.
Yes.
I think let's practice a little bit what we've just learned. You can obviously help me with when you hear anything wrong, I would love for you to correct me. So if I were to say, are you ready? I would say, o siame.
Ke siame.
Okay, Mpho.
Ke teng. Wena o kae?
Ke teng.
Ke a
O tsogile jang?
Ke tsogile, wena o tsogile jang?
Ke tsogile sentle.
Ke tsogile sentle.
Ke tsogile sentle.
Sentle. Yes.
That was wonderful.
Good. That was wonderful.
This is only the first lesson in many to come. And if you follow us weekly, you'll be speaking Tswana in no time. Don't forget to go to the website www.20minutesetswana.co.za.
We'll take it slow and step